welcome. And today, I will guide you step by step on how to cancel a Wakanow flight booking and get a refund. Step 1. Check your ticket type before doing anything. Look at your booking confirmation to see whether your ticket is refundable or non-refundable. The Wakanow support page confirms the refund amount depends entirely on your ticket type and the airline specific policy. So this determines everything that follows. Step 2. Contact Wakanow at least 72 hours before departure. You reach out through any of Wakanow official contact channels with your booking details. Now to do that, you click on the three icon right here and click on manage my booking. Now I can scroll down and click on refund. So right here is when to contact Wakanow through your booking number, surname, and email. Then after doing that, you click on submit. Step 3. Wait for Wakanow to process your cancellation. Once you submit your refund, Wakanow will process it based on the airline rules for your specific ticket. If your ticket only allow partial refund or none at all, that is determined by the fare condition attached to what you originally brought, not something Wakanow can override. Step 4. Know what to expect for your refund amount. If the airline itself cancel your flight, not you, are entitled to full refund, including taxes and fees, or you can choose a free rebooking or travel credit instead. If you are canceling voluntarily and your ticket is not refundable, you should expect no refund unless the specific fare rule says otherwise. If you miss your flight entirely, the refund depends on whether the airline permits no show refund or that ticket type. Many don't know the meaning behind the full value that gets forfeited. Step 5. Wait for the processing timeline. Wakanow support page states refunds typically take 2 or 3 weeks to process, depending on the airline handle your request. Keep an eye on your email and bank account during this window.